Adding music to your project can instantly transform the feel of your movie. To add background music to your project, click the Music and Sound Effects button in the iMovie toolbar. You can access all the music in your iTunes library and the iLife collection sound effects and jingles that come with iMovie. Double-click any of the music files to preview it. To add music to your project, drag the file from the browser to the gray space of your project background, being careful not to drop it into any of the actual clips in your project. When you release the mouse button, a green background music icon appears behind your video clips to indicate where the music starts and finishes. If your music is longer than your video clips, the music will fade out at the end of your video. To adjust the volume of the music, click once on the green clip to select it, and then click the Adjust Audio button. Then adjust the volume level and click Done.
Take over.
We'll make a cut. I apologize for taking the spot.